Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs, and today I'm here to show you how to make your own stamping mat. And it is a mat that's cushioned for easy stamping and clearer images. Okay, so what I'm using is some kid foam, the fun foam, and I'm using 3 of them, and some craft glue from Crafter Square. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just take this and put it all over the fun foam. Make sure you get the edges, and I'm just using stuff from around my house to make this. I'm using whatever I have. Oops. I'm gonna place this, and you have some wiggle room. And this is my first time using Crafter Square glue, because I'm used to using our glitter glue and stuff like that, but I thought I'd give this a whirl. And I'm spreading the glue by moving my hands around, and you can see the glue oozing out from the sides. Just go around with your hand or your finger and clear all the excess glue. Let me put a piece of paper down because I don't want it getting all over my mat. I have to clean it. So we're going to get the piece of paper. I'm going to use this. So now see some oozing all over here. And the more you stretch it, the more it's going to ooze out. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Making sure I get my edges. And just go in the middle. A little zigzag. Because you're going to even out the glue when you press it together. Okay, now I don't know how long this glue takes to completely dry. This is my first time using it, as I said. So I am going to let you all know. Okay, I see some over here. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight. I mean, it's just a stamping mat to help you get clearer images and things like that. So now I'm done. I'm gonna let it dry, and once it dries, I'll be back to test it with stamping. So we'll see how it works. I'll be back as soon as this is all dry. Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm here to finish this. What did I call it? DIY stamping foam mat. And let me get my ink. Let me get some ink and a stamp, and we're going to test it. Okay, I'm going to use some nice Versamark. We're going to use some distress ink. Okay, now I'm going to get a stump. And I have one right here. Order? And this is a stamp from Minus Crafting, one of their stamp sets. And we're going to get some cardstock. So now I'm gonna try it on one of these. Okay, it's a packaging cardboard, so we're going to test it. Let me get a block. Nah, yes, I do need a block. Okie dokie. We got the block. And what I want to do is test the little girl on the window. And I like the way they have to where you can't lose the other part of the thing cover for the stamps. So we're going to put her over here. And then I am going to take an eraser. I'm going to take my glue eraser and kind of swipe over to remove some of the stickiness. Still a little tacky. Still tacky. And I don't like the tackiness. So I'm going to take one of these erasers. And try to take some of the tackiness off so where it doesn't stick to the ink pad. Okay. Just snip it. And we're just gonna run the eraser right over that. It worked. It's not as tacky. Okay, so I'm gonna take my stamp, my ink, my distressed ink oxide, and just go over the, and I'm gonna move my pad over here. I'm gonna stamp it right here. Look how pristine that is. I love it, I love it. Let me zoom in so you guys can see it. Let me get my zoomer. My zoomer de doomer. See how nice and clean that is? And my stamp pad worked. So it's a DIY stamping pad. I'm just gonna wipe some of the distressed ink so I can put my stamp back in its little humble home. So the DIY stamping mat worked, and it made it easier on my hand to stamp with, and I like it. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. See that, how pretty? Of course, it's, there we go. Okay. Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. And thank you all. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.